YouTube. You're in
Yeah, I like to take
terrible snowstorm last night.
thank everybody who provided with the
Look
support.
at the after effects.
It's been a long journey. They say your life's path is not about the destination, it's all about the journey. I appreciate y'all. It's my blood, sweat, tears, years, struggle,
See this?
love, hate, fear. New York
Everything
City.
is shut
You
down
can
right
make it here, you
now,
can make it
obviously.
anywhere.
No
I came
buses.
here for the rain, hail,
Anything
sleet,
running right now,
snow,
you trains.
whatever the weather we ride, let my
And the
people
trains
go
running like probably
to
like
the
every
place
40
where
minutes or
knowledge is
something
born.
like that.
Third eye storm, check it out. Futuristic lyricist, straight from the Renaissance, top of the separate chain, raps upper echelons.
I'm
My
a car
people
right here.
brain, slave to another chain.
Stuck in the
This
snow.
voyage is maiden, like my mother, other name. Is this your first
Probably
trip
like
to
6
hell?
blocks away
Venture
from my house.
capitalist. If it's a product, then we got it for sale. When I first started to spell, my words fell into rhymes.
Did the best we could to get home from work
Everything
last
else
night.
fell in the line. I painted pictures, you could see
Man,
the people bleeding my bars. When I was
that was an
16, I was
experience.
about to reach for the stars. So if I fell, I fell right in the cloud, tighten the valve, niggas swore it down.
So the car was stuck here all night.
Now the gangsters no crime
Came this
allowed.
morning.
Probably see a fight on the stage before you
Looks
see
like
a
it's
fight
still
in
in
the
one
crowd.
piece.
I send us out to
Alright, enough of that.
face of the storm, homie, we riding it out. You inspire what I'm writing about.
Yeah, then back to
Blood,
my house right now.
tears, years, struggle, love, hate, fear. New York City, you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. I came prepared for the rain, hail, sleet, snow,
Doggo morning.
whatever the weather we ride. Let my people go to the place where knowledge is born. We walk into the third eye.
People actually trying to go to work this morning?
It's the third
Nah,
eye.
not me.
Third eye.
Calling out.
Third eye.
Look at this, yo.
Third eye.
Look at this.
Check it out. Check it out. Looking
You
around.
know what? I'm gonna sell that car and get like a Jeep or something.
Political prisoners, regular inmates with no visitors. Niggas in the street outside the reach of the ministers. Not those that say they're spiritual, but actual practitioners.
I hate them dudes who were showing off last night how they was cruising through the snow with their Jeeps. Oh, so you got a Jeep. You driving through the snow like if it's nothing. Okay. Us motherfuckers with cars, we gotta dig our car out with a shovel. See that shit? Uh-oh. You know I'm too cocky now. Him neither. Brooklyn, New York. Massive snowstorm. Yo, I was living in New York for 10 years. This has to be the most. Alright, you know what? Yeah, I will say this snowstorm is impressive. Blankets of snow everywhere. Man. Earlier, some guy wanted me to help him push his car out. Push his car out and go away. What is he gonna do? Only thing you can do in your car right now is camp. But nah, we're not playing Call of Duty right now. If you're gonna camp, you're gonna really camp right now with your car. Look at this, yo. Look at this. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, yo. This guy was like stuck there for like the last 45 minutes. Oh man. You know, it's funny, the news, you watch the news for like the last week, they was talking about this snowstorm. If you warn people about a snowstorm for like a week, don't you think you should be prepared? Get the streets plowed, everything. I guess they wasn't anticipating this much snow. Look at this. This is crucial right now. Crucial. Oh gosh. Father. This is madness right now. Madness. See this right now? I leave sunshine, coconut trees, beaches, all of that. Back in Trinidad to come to this. Hey, where you see? Well, where you could see? America, land of opportunity. All the money here anyway, so why not? Man, it's like a desert, yo. It's cold as shit out here too. I hate snow, man. Snow is annoying. I don't know how people love this shit like the Eskimos and people who live in Alaska. They actually enjoy playing in this shit. Hell no, man. Not me. Fuck. It's cold too. See this? I gotta keep coming in and out of my house, looking to see when they're gonna plow this shit. Hold up. It's a little clear out here in the road. You going to work this morning?
Huh?
You going to work this morning?
I'm supposed to, but I don't think I'm going.
You best you could do is I'm taking train.
Huh?
Best you could do is take a train. And that shit running slow too. Alright. Me too. Hear what she say? She say who will carry you to the train? Exactly, who gonna carry you? You're not gonna walk through this shit. See she going in her bed. Yeah, me too. I'm gonna sleep right now. Shit. Oh man, look at this, yo. Look at this, it's crazy. Look at this. What's going on up there? I'm gonna take a look. You know what I feel to eat right now? I know it's cold and we in low temperature and all of that. Supposed to drink some hot chocolate or something like that. I don't drink coffee. I'm too young to be drinking coffee. Corey Toronto, stop drinking coffee. Young dude like you drinking coffee, man. Nah, man. What are you doing? But you know what I'm feeling to eat right now? A nice plate of roti. Roti with curry chicken, potato, chana. I know, maybe I'll do a video on that. If most of you guys don't know what roti is. Look at this, yo, look at this. Yeah, terrible indeed. Yeah. Even the plows getting stuck right now. Yeah, YouTube. You're going up on YouTube.
When I get to my job, I get paid.
Yeah,
Because I heard the shift that came in last night.
yeah.
And nobody came in from the night shift.
Where you working in the city?
No, it's Queens.
Oh, Queens. Yeah. The train is the best bet. She going to work. Well, good luck to her. Alright, YouTube, Facebook, that's enough. Humbleness, blessings. Hopefully we can make it through this.